How to transfer a WordPress website to another hosting or domain. This is my old website and I will transfer this full website to here. This is our new website and this is the admin panel. To get started, go to plugin, add plugin, type here WP Vivid. Install and active this plugin. Now go to the key section, click generate. This is our website key. Again I will go to our old website. I will also install the same plugin on here. Go to plugin, add plugin, then type WP Vivid. Install and active the same plugin. Now copy the secret key from the new website. Then go to auto migration and paste here. Then click save. After that click clone, then transfer. It will take a few moments. The running time will depend on your website size, so we have to wait for it. It's completed. Again go back to your new website. Then go to WP Vivid backup. Scroll down. Click restore. Again click restore, then OK. It will also take a few moments, so we have to wait for it. Finally it's completed. Click OK. Alright, our migration is completed. Let's refresh our new website. Finally, successfully we have transferred our old website on here.